Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
A tree grows strong from years of generating its own food. Now imagine if products could be strengthened with the same living materials that provide nutrients to strengthen trees. The material has potential for greater strength, to be flexible and self-heal. The work is documented in a paper published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. The idea for this bio-inspired ink came from trees that harness the power of photosynthesis to produce glucose that transform to cellulose and strengthen the plant cell structure. When trees are young, says Wang, they are flexible; when they are mature, they are rigid. The research idea is also inspired by Popeye the Sailor, the animated character who can strengthen his muscles by eating spinach, says Wang, whose research is focused on bio-inspired manufacturing and the research team behind this study, which includes USC Viterbi Ph.D. students Kunhao Yu and Zhongjungrong Feng as lead authors, along with Professor Nicholas X Fang of Massachusetts Institute of Technology and Professor Chiara Dareo of California Institute of Technology, used a centrifuge to Then they used the ink to 3D print structures. By applying light to the 3D-printed structure, they created conditions to generate plant-based glucose which reacts with the polymer to make the material become stronger and stronger. By applying 2 to 4 hours of light and mimicking the power of photosynthesis, the researchers believe this living material can self-strengthen to be 6 times its original strength. Yu, a lead author on the paper, notes, this technology with gradient light illumination can create engineering structures with gradient stiffness, which exhibit an exceptional cushioning property far beyond that of the homogeneous ones. Some plants exhibit a self-healing capability during grafting and wound repairing. According to the researchers, the living material infused with chloroplasts in a lab at USC also presents an outstanding self-repairing property. Such a property is induced by the photosynthesis-produced glucose that creates the molecular process of cross-linking, in essence equivalent to creating sutures. Original written by Amy Blumenthal. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.